Hey you guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be the challenge of mixing all my foundations together to see what I get video. I don't have that many foundations, so I don't know if I'm excited about this or really not excited about this. And most of them are like the same brand. Like I have 4 Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundations. They are all different shades. Like this one is Buff Bisque, this one is Golden Beige, I have Desert Beige, and Bronze Beige. So those are 4 of them out of the, how many did I say I have? I think I have 9. I have 2 of the Maybelline Fit Me ones, and this one's 220 and this one is 228, which one is Natural Beige and Soft Tan. Then I have the Laura Mercier foundation, the Flawless Fusion one, the Dior Skin Forever one. I have a L'Oreal Infallible one and a Mary Kay Time Wise foundation. That's pretty much it. I don't really collect a lot of foundations because if I don't like the foundation, there's no point of me keeping it. Out of all these foundations, the one that I am not crazy about is the Laura Mercier foundation, but when I mix it, I do like it. So that's why I've held on to this one. Other than that, yeah, this is all I have. So I'm gonna be mixing all these foundations together and we're gonna see what happens. And I hope the shade comes out right. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't. All the shades are not exactly the same, especially the Wet n Wild ones, but they're still in that same family. So anyway, like I said, I've been seeing this mixing all my foundations, and some people do concealers and a bunch of other stuff. I think even primers together, but I'm just gonna do foundations today. So I'm gonna be mixing them all up and we're gonna apply it and see what happens. By the way, I'm gonna link all my other social medias down below just in case you wanna follow me there. Also, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and share my channel, share my videos and all that stuff. I'm gonna start with the Wet n Wild one since I have the most of these foundations. So here's what we have right now. Can you see the different shades in there? It's moving along. And I have this little spatula and I'm just gonna start mixing everything, and I'm gonna mix it really well, and then we're gonna plop it on our face. All right, so we're gonna do this right. I have moisturized my face. Now I'm gonna prime my face. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. So I'm gonna start priming my face now, and I'm gonna wait for that to set on my skin, and then we're gonna go right ahead and start applying the foundation. All right, so we are ready to go. Let me pick up some of this foundation, start applying it. I've been seeing these kinds of videos going around, not just for foundations. Like I said, they've been doing concealers and primers and a bunch of mixing everything. I've even seen the highlight ones when they mix all their highlighters, and I've been like, no, you know, so against it, because I'm like, how are you wasting all that product? You know, like my highlights are precious to me. I am so not mixing them. Even my foundations, you know, they're pretty precious to me, but I didn't go crazy with how much foundation I squirted in here. Right now I'm wearing way more foundation than I normally do, but you know what, we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna do the same thing I always do, which is blend it out with my finger. And I don't know about the shade just yet. Right now it looks a little weird. It's kind of on the yellowy, so not so bad. It's bad though. Who am I kidding? Anyways, let's just continue. Like I was saying, yeah, I've been seeing these videos going around mixing all your makeup, and I'm like, no, you know, I buy all my makeup. I don't get sent makeup, so this is all money that I'd be wasting by mixing all this stuff. You know, I do have an influencer account, so every once in a while I get something through influencer, which was that Lola Mojica foundation. One of the things, oh my god, I have to blend this because I look crazy. What is this? How is this possible? So I'm gonna be using this crown brush to blend out the foundation onto my skin. And most of my foundations are not full coverage, just so you guys know. I don't like full coverage foundations. I like light to medium coverage foundations. So, oh my god, this is setting way too fast and it looks crazy. I wonder if I'm going to be able to wear this for a few hours and come back and show you how it wore, because so far I am not liking it. Like, this sucks. Most of the videos that I watched, everybody's like super happy with their results, and I am not liking this. It feels weird. It feels way too heavy. And you know what? I'm gonna have to go in with the beauty blender, because what the hell? No, girl. This looks crazy. All right, so it's ready. Let's start blending because the brush did no justice. Oh my goodness. No, I do not like the way I look. My face is so textured right now. I don't think it matters how much I blend this out. I don't know, you guys. Like, if I can't blend it out, what's the point of me wearing this for the rest of the day? Because I already don't like it. So I don't think it's gonna look prettier as time goes on. So I may not even be able to wear this for the rest of the day. All right, I'm done blending. It doesn't look so bad anymore. I don't know, I just have to get this off of my lips because oof, I look crazy. All right, so what happened? The foundation set super fast, so I had to work really fast. It doesn't look horrible. I think I'm a little too yellow, or I don't know. Like right now under these lights, I'm not like super matchy. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. All right, so this is what I look like right now. It is definitely not my shade. I don't even know, it's just not my shade. I'm like way more yellowy at the moment, with obviously this red patch from the sun that I always get, but the shade on my face is not matching. I tried to bring it down my neck a little bit, and I use bronzer and all that stuff, and it's still not really working out. But the foundation doesn't really feel horrible on my face anymore. It did blend out. I feel like it looks a lot better, but I definitely do feel like I'm wearing foundation. Like, I am totally wearing foundation. I can see it and I can feel it, but it doesn't look bad. Does that make any sense? You know? And when I say that I feel the foundation, I'm not saying that it feels cakey, because it doesn't feel cakey, and it doesn't even look cakey at all. After I kept blending it with the beauty blender, it just got better, because I guess it absorbed a lot of the foundation that the brush was just moving around. Because with the brush, I hated the way it looked. It looked really, really bad, and it just didn't feel good on my skin. Once I went in with the beauty blender, it felt a lot better, and the foundation set really quickly. I'm going to wear this foundation for a few hours. I'm not going to wear for the whole day. Where's my phone? It's already 4:29 right now, so I may wear this for maybe 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna do a few things, 4 hours the most, and I'll come back and I'll let you know how the foundation did. So I'm back, you guys. It's 6:30 6:32 actually, 2 hours later, and I'm ready to take the foundation off just because I want to go have dinner and relax, and then, you know, maybe watch TV and then eventually go to bed. Yeah, actually no, I'm gonna finish editing a video and then I'm gonna go to bed. But I want to have dinner, but I want to have, you know, a nice clean face before I go eat dinner. So anyways, that doesn't matter. The foundation feels very good, actually. I'm surprised. It's been 2 hours. Normally, if the foundation would have been sucky for me by now, I would have been oily around the T-zone, breaking out around the nose. Probably the chin would have been missing and stuff like that. But when the foundations work for me, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, they're still holding on strong on me. And it's 2 hours and they are still looking good. I am so surprised. I'm shocked. Everything is in place. Nothing has moved. Like I said, I do feel the foundation on my skin. It's a little bit heavier, but that's only because I like wearing light to medium coverage. And right now I have pretty much full coverage, more to medium to full coverage because of all the foundations that I mixed, even though that most of them are medium coverage, but whatever. The color is not the best, but it's not horrible either. I mean, I can still kind of get away with it. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like these types of videos, not even a tutorial, but these types of videos. Let me know and I'll do more of these if you guys care for them. You know, I'm a little iffy with wasting product because I do purchase my own products, and you know, I don't like wasting products. So, but we'll see what else comes up, and if you guys want me to do, let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all my links down below so you can follow my other social medias, watch my previous videos, and share my channel, share my video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and that's it, you guys. Until next time, my loves. Mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.